The holiday season is a time for thanks, a time to show your team, your clients, and your partners how much you appreciate them. But finding the perfect gift can be a challenge. That's where Links comes in. We make it easy to deliver a memorable gift. We help take the stress out of corporate gifting with our convenient pre-built kits. Each kit is thoughtfully curated with premium products designed to impress every recipient. They're ready to ship so you can save time and get back to what matters most. Give your team or clients essential tech tools for navigating the modern world with the Tech It Easy kit. Small enough to stuff in any corner of any bag, yet impressively full-featured, the small tech pouch from Peak Design is ideal for everyday essentials like cords, cards, batteries, and chargers. Listen to your favorite music with the Skull Candy push-active true wireless earbuds. And then you can ensure easy charging on the go with the 12 South Butterfly SE. The meticulously curated Chasing Adventure Kit is designed for the professional who seeks both adventure and style. Inside, you'll find the Polaroid Go camera to capture every moment, a Fitbit to do what you love most and feel your best, and an AirFly SE from 12 South, the most affordable way to listen to in-flight movies with your wireless headphones or earbuds. Or maybe give the gift of rejuvenation with our Unwind and Recharge Kit. Encourage your team or clients to disconnect and reconnect. The Therabody Sleep Mask with vibration therapy is an ultra-comfortable mask featuring a 100% blackout design and 3 soothing vibration patterns scientifically proven to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, so you wake up refreshed. Then they can listen to the Amazon Echo Pop with front-firing speaker that delivers full sound while they relax. These are just a few of the awesome pre-built kits Links Unlimited offers. Scan the QR code on the screen to see them all. Want to give your client something a little more personal? Our team can help you design a customized gift experience with a kit thoughtfully built from our many premium products. Check out our catalog. Scan the QR code at the end of this video. Don't forget about the Ray-Ban Icon Card, an effortless, high-impact holiday gift solution. Perfect for clients, employees, or partners, it delivers the freedom to choose from Ray-Ban's iconic styles. Enhance the gift experience by adding our premium small gift box, making every redemption even more memorable. We currently offer 3 different sized premium gift boxes for your custom kits. Whether you choose a pre-built or a custom kit, every gift is packaged with care. We handle the details, from building the kit to including a personalized note to ensure an unforgettable unboxing experience. Don't forget, we are your dropship partner, so if you have something else in mind, send us anything. We can stock and warehouse a large variety of products to be used with your next kitting project. Give a gift they'll remember this holiday season. Visit our website to explore our pre-built kits and start building your own today.